to my channel. Welcome back to Oma Beauty TV. It's your girl Oma here. Welcome back to my channel. If today is the first one stopping by here, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for clicking on my video. Thank you for coming back to always watch and support your girl. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please hit the red button to subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified anytime there is a new upload from me. So in this channel I upload videos ranging from DIY, natural remedies, trending gist, and every other thing in between. So in today's video we are going to be talking about the amazing and wonderful herb called lemongrass. Yeah, God has blessed us with so many natural remedies that if we use properly, very beneficial to us. So I'm going to be sharing with you from my research. I've made some research about lemongrass, and if you don't like lemongrass, like personally growing up, we used to have a lot of lemongrass in my house, and anytime, usually on Saturday morning, usually have it as a tea. Like I usually frown at it. I don't like the smell and everything. But growing up, growing up and reading and all, I've got to find out that lemongrass is packed with so many health benefits. And also lemongrass also has a spiritual aspect of it, spiritual benefit of it, but I'm not going to be going into the spiritual benefit of it. I'm only going to be talking about how beneficial it is to us, to our health. We all know what lemongrass is all about. I don't want to like start looking for basically when you type on Google it will come out. I don't know the native name, but I know it's called lemongrass. So when you go to Google and you type in lemongrass, it will bring out the native name or the botanical name of it. So lemongrass is somewhere I will be looking at, because I wrote some things. And lemongrass is a popular herb, and it's also it's used in cooking, and we also use it in tea. Yeah, like I said, I mentioned it before that we usually have it as a tea. So I think you can also use it to have your bath. Yes, it's can also. Then I could remember that my mom usually use it to, we'll brew it. Like if you are sick, she will brew it, and we'll have a bath with it. I don't even know what it meant at that time, but now I think I know better. So and lemongrass is very soothing and calming. Like if you want to have a soothing and a calming moment, just brew your lemongrass tea and take it. Like you will see how calming and how relaxing. Also good if you're suffering from anxiety and stress. Lemongrass is very beneficial to lower your stress level. It's also good for reduction of bloating. If you're suffering from bloating, please try and take a lemongrass tea. It is very good. You can go to market. Those agbo sellers, like you can buy from them. You can buy a packaged lemongrass tea. You will still get the same benefit. You still get the same benefits that you will get if you are taking a normal lemongrass, like the raw lemongrass. Yeah, like I said, it reduces bloating. If you're suffering from bloating, please make lemongrass your number one tea. And which other time to take it? Lemongrass, if you're suffering from bloating, the best time to take a lemongrass tea is after meal or before meal. Like it helps your digestive system. And lemongrass is also packed with anti-inflammatory properties, making it very useful for relieving muscle pain. So if you're having muscle pain, so please lemongrass tea. Make lemongrass tea your best tea. Let it be one of the teas you have in your pantry, and you will not regret it. So many benefits of lemongrass tea, which because I don't want this video to be too long, so you can also make more research, and I'm going to be uploading more videos on how to use lemongrass and what you can also use lemongrass to do. I will also be and every other thing. So we've come to the end of this video, and And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to don't forget to leave me a comment and share with your friends and family, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.